Today I'm gonna show you exactly how to connect your iPhone to your Samsung Smart TV or any other Smart TV. Before we begin, we need to make sure that both your TV and your iPhone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. From this menu, tap on the icon with the two overlapping rectangles. That's the screen mirroring icon. Your iPhone will now start looking for available devices. Once you see your Samsung Smart TV, go ahead and tap on it and a code will pop up on your TV screen. Simply type that code into your phone like this and hit OK. Now just like that, your iPhone is now connected to your Samsung Smart TV. You can view your photos, you can watch your videos and use your favorite apps. You can even play your mobile games on a much bigger screen. Now if this didn't work for you, then let's double check a few things. To begin with the process, we're gonna make sure that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. This is super important. If they are and it's not working, we may need to check the settings on your TV. Press the home button on your Samsung remote. Now navigate to the left until you see the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Once you have highlighted, press the center button to see the full settings menu. Now scroll down and select the option that says General. From there, scroll down and select Apple AirPlay settings. Here you can make sure AirPlay is enabled by clicking the center button. However, if you are still having trouble, I recommend resetting your paired devices. To do this, scroll down to Require Code. Then scroll down one more time to select Reset Paired Devices and select Remove. This gives you a fresh start for your connection. Now, try connecting your iPhone to your TV once more, and now it should work just fine. If you're still facing issues, we can try to power reset by unplugging your Samsung TV and your Wi-Fi router from the outlet for about 2 minutes. After those 2 minutes, we plug them back in and try to connect again. This should solve the issue. However, as a last resort, you might need to perform a factory data reset on your TV. That's it for this video. I hope this helped you out. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. I will be more than happy to help you further. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye now. Take care.